Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So, with this today's session, I am going to explain you exercise 8.4. Children, this exercise is based on exercise 8.3. The topic was like and unlike decimal. Same we are going to repeat here. See question number 1. Fill in the blank with these signs. You know, we use these symbols, these signs to compare two numbers. So these decimal numbers we are going to compare and we will use these signs. So let's see the register work. Children, see question number 1 B part. In this we have to compare these two decimal numbers. You know children, the number which is before the decimal, that is 144 and 87, is the whole number. Then comes the point decimal, and then after the decimal is the decimal part. So here is the 2 decimal part and here is 489. So children, first step is to compare the whole numbers. This is 144 and this is 87. So it is clearly visible that this side is greater. So we will be putting this symbol. Now children, let's see A part. In this, what we can see, the whole number are equal, 37 and 37. Now we need to compare with the decimal part. So first you can see here 2 decimal places are there and here 1. So that means they are unlike decimals. We will change them into like decimal. So the highest is 2 places. We will make this 7, 0. Now we can easily compare. This is 17 and this is 70. So this side is greater. So children, A and B part I have explained you. Now remaining parts you will be doing in register yourself. Let's see question number 2 and 3. Children, these two questions you will be doing in book only. These two parts, question number 2 and 3. Let's see. Circle the lowest number in each. Lowest means the smallest one. You have to circle the smallest number. So start comparing the A part. 7.06. First you need to see the whole number part. This is 7, this is 70, this is 0 and this is 76. I think it is clear. This 0.76 is the lowest number. Let's see the B part. First I am going to see the whole numbers. 14, 146, 1 and 18. Again I hope that it is clear to you that 1.468 is the lowest number. Now C and D, do it yourself. Question number 3 is also similar. Circle the highest number. That means for the highest number, biggest number, you have to circle it and cross out the lowest number. The smallest one you will be crossing it. So see this A example. First step to see the whole number. This is 43, 4, 453 and 405. So the highest number is 453.0 and the smallest number is 4.350. So you have to cross it. In this way you will be doing the remaining parts. Children, turn the page 124. See question number 4. In this we have to write these numbers in ascending order. You know, ascending order, smallest to biggest. So see the B part in register. See children, these are the numbers given to us. First we will see the decimal part, that they are like decimals or not. In this 2 decimal places, in this 1 and in this 2. So that means the highest decimal place is 2. We will make 2 in each. Now start comparing with the whole numbers. 8, this is 80, 86 and 8. And we have to write in ascending order. That is, we have to pick the smallest number. Now with the 8 whole number, we have 2 numbers. Now start comparing the decimal part. That is 60 and 6. So I think it is clear. So the smallest is 8.06 6. Now use this sign. Next will be 8.60. Now these two numbers are left. So 80 and 86, 80.60, and the last one will be 86.00. Now children, question number 5 is similar. The difference is we have to write in descending order, biggest to smallest. So see the B part. So now the descending order, the process of both are similar. Again we will make into like decimal 68. That means 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places and 3. So we will be adding 110 in these. Now we have to pick the greatest number. So it will be 60 compared with the whole numbers. This is 6, this is 60. So among these two, which is the biggest one? Now compare with the decimal part. 680 and 080. So biggest is this one. 60.680. Now this sign will come. Now next will be 60.080. Now we have to choose among these two. So it will be 6. This is 800 and this is 008. Obviously 800 is greater. Now children, if space is finished in your line, you can use the next line also. The last one will be 6.008. This is the smallest number. So this is the answer. So with this explanation, I hope this exercise is clear to you. Thank you.